Join me as I prepare this delicious creamy brown rice hot cereal. If this is something that you would like to learn, continue watching. 5 cups of water. When this comes to boil, we will add in our 6-ounce creamy brown rice hot cereal. The water is now boiling, so we will go ahead and add in our creamy brown rice hot cereal, 6 ounces. So as we add, we want to stir at the same time. So we're going to put a lid, we're going to time it for 10 minutes, and we will be back. So as you can see, it is finished. All of the water is absorbed, it's nice and thick. Look at that. Nice. We will let it cool, and then we will put it together as a breakfast meal that you can enjoy. Look at that. So let's move it from the stove so that we can see how much this recipe made. And we want to make sure our scale is on ounce. And even though it is hot, I will still measure it, but I will let it cool in the bowl before I store it in the refrigerator. This recipe did not form much hot cake. It was quicker to prepare. We want to scrape everything off because even what's on the spoon contributes to how much the recipe made. You can't scrape off everything now, but at least you could scrape off something. And if you look in the pot, it didn't leave much at all. No pot cake, not much left. It was very quick to make as well, 10 minutes, wow. So this recipe made 31 ounces. And let's check it in grams, 879.5 grams. And let's check it in pounds, 1.937 pounds. So we're gonna let this cool, and then we'll be back so that we can prepare a delicious meal that you can enjoy. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Like and share. Thank you so much.